What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's gonna be a quick one. I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing of the new wheels I got for the C5 Z. Today, so I went with the MRRs, model number M755s. These are the C7 Z01 replica wheels. The C7 Z01 wheels don't fit on the C5. So you got to go with this brand that made the replica wheels. The fronts, I went with 18 by 9.5 with the 50mm offset. And the rear, I went 19 and 11 with the 55mm offset, and I went with a gloss black. I think you can get the regular aluminum, the gloss black, and I think the matte black. Now let's open these guys up and see what we got. So I got these from Bob over at House of Wheels. I think he's stationed in Florida. He does a bunch of GM and Chevy and Camaro replica and even stock wheels. So I'll leave him the link down in the description below. He got me the best price on them, cheaper than anywhere I can find them. Oh wow, these are freaking nice. So as you can see, they're reproduction wheels, but the quality of these things are freaking phenomenal. I think I'm gonna love the gloss black look on my black Corvette. I don't know how long I'll keep them black. I might get bored of it after a while and change it to a color. But I do have tires coming this week. I'm gonna ceramic coat them probably today or tomorrow, and hopefully get the wheels on by the end of the week, or the tires I say. The tires on the end of the week, and there'll be another video coming. So write down in the comment section what you guys think, and look out for the other video. Thanks. So stay tuned for the next video. I'll be installing these on the Corvette. I'm not gonna be doing a video on ceramic coating the wheels. There's about hundreds of thousands videos of ceramic coating. Maybe later on I'll do detailing videos, but for now I'll just put the one up and installing them. So if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Watch out for the next one. Peace.